Ready to unlock a whole new world of customers by accepting crypto on your Shopify store? Let's dive into setting up the Coinbase API. First, head over to Coinbase Commerce and create an account. It's free and just takes a few minutes. Make sure to verify your email address to fully activate your account. Once you're in, navigate to the settings section. This is where you'll find the API keys you need to connect to Shopify. Click on API keys and generate a new key. Give it a descriptive name so you know what it's used for later. Copy this key and keep it in a safe place. You'll need it soon. Now, jump over to your Shopify admin panel, go to Settings, then Payments. Scroll down to Alternative Payment Methods and look for an option to add a custom payment gateway or external payment provider. This might vary slightly depending on your Shopify theme. Here's where you'll paste the API key you generated from Coinbase Commerce. You'll also likely need to enter your Coinbase Commerce API secret, which you can find in your Coinbase Commerce settings as well. Save your changes. To ensure everything is working smoothly, perform a test transaction. You can usually do this with a small amount. If the transaction goes through, congratulations, you've successfully integrated Coinbase API with your Shopify store.